13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Hey, an ice cold lemonade sounds great on a day like today where temperatures are still going to be hot. The heat wave continues for our Tuesday, reaching close to about 90 degrees, which is a little bit cooler than what we saw yesterday where many of us were in the mid-90s. That's why 13 weather ball is blue. Cooler weather is in view. Cooler, but not exactly by a lot. It's also blinking bright. We do have some rain and thunderstorms in sight. This view is sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. As we head throughout the rest of the day, hitting about 90 degrees, especially along and south of I-96. Once again, slightly cooler than yesterday. We do also start to see some more thunderstorms rolling in heading into the evening hours. These will be continuing overnight, fairly isolated to scattered though. Now temperatures close to 90 degrees, high humidity, still going to be leaving us with feels like temperatures that are approaching triple digits, at least for some areas. South of I-96, that's where we're still seeing a heat advisory for today until this evening. Allegan, Barry, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun counties. Now, a lot of this has to do with where this front is situated. It's stalled out over much of the Midwest, so south of the front is where we're still seeing the really hot temperatures. North of the front, starting to see at least a little bit of improvement. With that front moving through, we will also be able to see the chance for some of those thunderstorms popping up this evening. This all starts later on in the day, not necessarily looking at these to be widespread by any means. A couple of these cells could get to the stronger side and be fairly breezy. More thunderstorms into early tomorrow morning and more scattered thunderstorms throughout the rest of our Wednesday as well. We'll continue to see this chance for some thunderstorms into Wednesday night. Very much so on and off chances for thunderstorms throughout the next multiple days, and that's because of a lot of this heat and humidity. Finally starting to see some rain back in the forecast, and this is really going to be helping us out over the next multiple days to bring our temperatures back down into the 80s and cut our humidity back as well just a little bit. Temperatures near the lakeshore for today going to be a little bit cooler than what we're seeing further inland. Looking at quite a few of these 80s on the way, good amount of mid 80s for us. Our northern zone temperatures sitting in the low to mid 80s and continuing to get warmer, closer to the 90-degree mark the further south that you travel. Your 13 on Your Side 7-day forecast. 13 weather impact alert comes to a close after today. The rest of the week featuring on and off storm chances with temperatures back in the 80s, breaking humidity by next week.